Here is what is believed to be a early 90s Litex. I got this at the thrift store about 2 months back. I like it. Runs pretty good. Not its original blades. It's Tat Tongue's blades. Yeah, here is the light. Stencil. Nature. Here's hi. Has a good spin down time. But yeah, its original blades, they were so bad. Its warp was almost about a 90-degree angle. And it's not its original light kit either. I bought this light kit at Home Depot for 20 bucks. It looks really good on this. You can tell already. At the Kmart out here. I almost want to put this in my bedroom, but I have to take down another fan to get the bracket, or I can just wait till next week and buy a bracket. But I don't know. As you can see, I had a hugger mount up there. I couldn't find a ball for the bracket up there for it to fit. Yeah, that's the Litex for you.